Hi everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Happy Friday to everybody. Today I have a 12 by 16 canvas, staple backed canvas. I'm going to do a swipe on, and let's go over my colors. My first color is Artist Select Cadmium Red Medium Hue. My second color is Amsterdam Vermilion. My third color is Premier Burnt Sienna. My next color is Amsterdam Vandyke Brown. My next color is Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. And my last color, which I'm going to use as my swipe color, is Liquitex Basics Primary Yellow. My pouring medium today is 70% Elmer's Glue All, 30% water. And I did add 2 drops of Spot-On Treadmill to all my colors except my swipe color. So let's get started. Okay, pouring consistency before I forget. Not even a mound today. And I'm just going to pour the paint on. Been watching a lot of Jilly Cube. I've mentioned her before. Jilly with a G. Cube is K-U-B-E. She does a lot of swipes. And before I do forget, my swipe color. I did mix that differently, my yellow. What I did is it's half part paint and it's half part Vallejo Pearl Medium that I just did purchase. And so it's going to give hopefully a little sheen effect when I go to swipe. Okay, let's do the orange. And the burnt sienna. Okay. So now I'm just going to tip my canvas around and get the whole canvas covered. Okay. And now I'm going to put down my swipe color. I'm going to swipe from the middle out or down. And start with that much paint. And today I'm going to use plastic for my swipe. Clean it off a little bit here. And swipe again. Okay. Turn it around. And we'll swipe again. And one more time here. And I will get this edge a little better. Okay. And now I will give it a torch. I'm going to turn it this way. I'm just checking the sides here as I go also. Make sure everything's covered. Julie Cube calls this finger popping. I think I am going to take my little Swifty Swipe tool, maybe do a little bit on this corner, yeah. See if I can get that a little better there. Okay. I'll torch on this side. Okay. Again, I'm going to take my little Swifty Swipe tool and put a little bit more yellow on the edge here. Go over it one more time. And torch again. Okay. I'm going to tip a little bit here. Just a little bit. And tip this way back. I think it turned out really nice. A lot of fall colors going on here. Clean off the bottom. Check my corners. That yellow did turn out very, very pretty. This actually looks like, the brown looks like leaves falling here. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna get you down for a close-up. Okay, here is the upper left-hand corner. And the lower left-hand corner. I like the cells in here. A lot going on there. Very pretty. Look at those cells. See what I mean? Some of them actually look like leaves coming down. Now the cells up here, all the different colors. I'm not sure at this point if that, well, it does look a little bit fluorescent, or pearlescent, I should say, that yellow. You can kind of see it. And this is the lower right-hand corner. And there's the upper right-hand corner. Okay. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Ring the bell and choose all so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. Thanks for watching, everybody. And until next time, take care. Bye.